think Tropical Storm Eta is here. And it is so windy out here. And it's just like spitting rain right now. And I don't know how, but we're having a game, so I'm going to head up to the stadium for the last match of the season. Last regular season home match. But hopefully we can pull out a win. I'm just going to try to make it to Fort Lauderdale in one piece. Looks rough outside. Windy. I feel like every step going up these stairs is like gonna be my last. Craziness right now. Are you running the boards today?
I am. This is me, Big Daddy, taking over. No mistakes.
Have you done this before?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
How you guys doing?
Where do I get a poncho? Yo, playoffs!
Let's
Camera,
go!
for the camera! One time, no? We did it! Go. Hit. Go. We did it. You did it, Kyler.
Great season.
Woo! Let's make it home in one piece.
Yeah, let's do that first.
Holy shit. I don't know how we pulled that out. 2-1 win. All the cards fell in our favor. Going to the playoffs. Going to the playoffs. Alright, it is absolutely crazy to think that this morning at like 7 a.m., torrential downpour, crazy winds. We got like probably the worst band of the storm this morning, and now it's like beautiful sunny skies, like amazing weather. Gorgeous. Let's take a look. So we're probably gonna get like a little bit more weather here this afternoon, but like crazy. This is supposed to be the worst day. I'm gonna go check it out on the beach and see what's going on. Took a quick break from work this morning. Woke up in the playoffs, so super good mood. We needed a couple teams to lose or draw, and we had to win our match in the middle of a tropical storm. So needless to say, we're all like completely like over the moon. Feels good. But anyway, I'm gonna head to the beach. I'll see you guys in a second.